This is a video demonstrating that the Pride DX300 bilinear amplifier works very well. I'm driving it with a Kenwood TS440 going into this kicker power meter, SWR meter. It's on a 10 watt range. It then goes into the RF Pride input. The output of the Pride goes into this other watt meter, 10, 100, and 1 kilowatt ranges it has. And then it goes into this pretty massive dummy load. It's in standby now. Just the TS440 is putting out about 5 watts. It's on a 10 watt range. And you can see this watt meter also, it's reading about 3 1/3 watts. It reads a little bit low on the 10 watt range. I'm now going to change this to the 1000 watt range, 1 kilowatt, and I'll put the Pride on low tuned. It's a CW signal I'm using on the Kenwood, and the Pride is in AM operation. And I'm adjusting it for max output, the plate tune, and the plate load. That's in low mode, and it's reading about 150 watts, a little over 100. I'm now going to switch it to high operate, and we're still in the kilowatt range, and we're using both meters as output to verify it. It's at 500 watts now, and we'll peak it out, and it's right about 700 watts or so. There it is. This thing's reading about 700 also. We only have about 4.5 watts into it. The Pride also has a receiver amp to amplify the low-level signals coming in. It only operates when it's in low tune or high operate. Standby, the receiver doesn't work. If it's in low, then the receiver goes on. You could also turn it off, and it works, and it goes off in standby and high on receive also. Reason for that is in standby, everything just goes right through the Pride amplifier, so your transceiver actually goes right through into the dummy load, and your receive signal comes right through into your transceiver. So that demonstrates it works. It's pretty quiet. You can hear the fan. Well, actually, it's a blower running. I'll show you how it's set up in the back here. It's hard to see. Power comes out over here, goes into right over here. The input comes out of the output of the kicker into the input. Out of the input into the RG8 cable, much bigger, and then out of the meter, it comes around to the watt meter. It's a little bit warm right now. So this demonstrates that the Pride bilinear amplifier works very well. I also have a video of just showing you the very good shape that it's in. I'll walk around again. I got bright lights here, so you can see it's in very, very good shape. Check out the other video. You have to turn the Pride on for about a minute in standby before you use it, and then after you finish using it, you have to let it run for about a minute also, just to cool it off. This concludes the demonstration that it works great.